Been called the kindest giant in the world. He buys TVs for strangers, helps thousands of families, and still made his own kids wash the dishes and walk to school. Shaquille O'Neal is one of the most recognizable basketball players in history, a man whose name is known across the globe. His father left when Shaq was only a few months old, and he was raised by his stepfather, a military man, strict but fair. He's the one who taught the future champion the most important things. Respect people, stay humble, and never forget where you came from. Even after becoming one of the wealthiest athletes in history, Shaq never let money change him or his family. He raises his children by the same principles his stepfather taught him. He doesn't spoil them with expensive gifts and says openly, "I'm rich, you're not. Want money, earn it yourself." In his house, there's no place for laziness or arrogance. Every child is expected to study